With regard to these rumors that are going around, with regard to whether we are going to go to level 1 and level 5 or level 3, I'd like to say that we are continuing to actively analyze, manage the situation with the assistance of the medical advisory group, where they are analyzing the incidence of infections as they are unfolding throughout the country. We are, I must say, beginning to see some signs that are of concern to us. As South Africans, we are not all adhering to the protective measures, such as wearing our masks, such as washing our hands. We've been reading about reports of how groups of people have gone to various manifestations. It could be meetings, it could be parties, where infections have been reported and where people, having gathered together, have become like super spreaders, where the spreading of the infection has then ensued. That is worrying, and we must continue to say that as South Africans, we need to make sure that we heed the adherence to the measures that have been put to us by the Medical Advisory Committee. And if we can do that, and even Minister of Health, yes, who contracted COVID with his wife, is insisting in saying COVID-19 is serious. It is a serious condition, and we all need to adhere to those measures, particularly now, as a nation we move towards that fun period of December, where people will let their guard down. And that is what is of concern, and we are watching that. And I received a report today. I want to look at the report very closely and also then have an opportunity in the coming days, possibly next week, of being able to address the people of South Africa about what we now need to do in the light of what we are going through. I don't want to be alarmist. I don't want our people to be alarmed with rumors such as we're going to level 3. That is simply not true. And I want to assure everyone that that is not true. If it ever gets there, I will be the one to advise the nation where we are and where we are going to. For now, all we need to do is to adhere to our preventative measures. Wear your mask. I was at a function today unveiling the statue of our revered leader, Oliver Reginald Tambo, at OR Tambo Airport. I was pleasantly pleased, Honorable Chairperson, that everyone who was at that function wore a mask. Everyone, without exception. Everyone wore a mask. And if all of us as South Africans were to do precisely that, wear a mask every time we are in public, that will go a long, long way in limiting the number of infections. But we will talk about that in the coming week. But at the moment, Honorable Member, we are observing the situation. So there's no need to be alarmed. Thank you very much.